All right, we are going to install Wagtail using venv, venv. So I already have Python running, and you can see I'm running Python 3.7.2. So I'm going to do Python -m venv, and then the name of whatever virtual environment I want to call. I'm going to call this Rocketman venv. Actually, what I'm going to do is create a new directory first. So let's cancel that, and let's do mkdir Rocketman. cd Rocketman, and you can see my working directory here. So I'm in users, Caleb Tallien, websites, Rocketman, and now I'm going to do Python -m venv Rocketman venv. The name is not really important, it's just your virtual environment. So I'm going to call it Rocketman venv, and we're going to see it's going to create a new directory for me here. So let's do an ls-la, and we can see that there's a folder in here called Rocketman venv, right in there. To get into this thing, all we have to do is type source, Rocketman venv, bin, activate, which if this is your first time, that's going to look really weird, but you know, after a little while, you get used to it. And I'm now inside of this virtual environment. And you can see that because it says Rocketman venv in brackets to the left of my user. So now at this point, I can do pip v. We can see I'm using pip 18.1. It's coming from my virtual environment. That's the folder here. That's the directory, Python 3.7. So that all looks good. Let's go ahead and install Wagtail now. So pip install Wagtail. All right, so Wagtail has been installed. I can now do pip show Wagtail. It shows me that I'm using Wagtail version 2.7 right there. I can also do pip freeze to see all of my packages that are installed in this virtual environment. So I've got Beautiful Soup, Certify, Django, Django Treebeard, HTML5lib, Pillow, Requests, 6, URLlib, Wagtail, Willow, all sorts of stuff. So that's what is installed in my virtual environment. My computer does not have access to that unless I'm inside of that virtual environment. Now I'm able to say that this project is going to run Wagtail 2.7, and in another virtual environment I can say, hey, use Wagtail 2.4. Use an older version of Wagtail, use Wagtail 1.13 if we wanted to. And these will never conflict with each other, which is really, really nice. So now what we need to do is Wagtail, start, my site, and that's going to create a website called my site. I don't want it to be called my site. I'm going to be making a website called Rocketman. So I'm going to do Wagtail start, Rocketman. That's going to create a new folder called Rocketman, but I don't want it to do that. I want it to create a new project, a new Wagtail website in the directory that I'm in. I'm already in a directory called Rocketman. I've got a virtual env in here, and I want to create this new project in this directory. So let's go ahead and do that. You can see that was very fast. ls-la, and we now have Docker file, a home folder, manage.py, requirements.txt, Rocketman folder, that's where our settings and static files and templates are going to go. We've got a search app, and we've got our virtual environment. So now we can do pip install -r requirements.txt, and all of that looks like it's already been satisfied to some degree. And now to run our server, we just type Python manage.py run server 0.0.0:8000. And it should say this. You should see this alarming red text saying you have 89 unapplied migrations. And if we were to open up our browser and head on over to localhost port 8000, we're going to see this error. That's actually a good thing. That means your website is up and running. So I just canceled my server there with Control-C. That'll just cancel your server so it doesn't run anymore. And next we need to provision our database, because if we skip back over to where this error is showing up on localhost 8000, we're going to see it says no such table, Wagtail core site. Well, a table is a database term. This is looking for a database that's set up in a specific way to get started, and it's not set up that way. So let's go ahead and set that up the proper way. So let's do Python manage.py migrate. And we'll see this is going to apply all these different files. And then if we rerun our server with Python manage.py run server 0.0.0:8000, let's go back here and refresh our page. Voila, we have Wagtail installed using venv or venv. And then to get out of your virtual environment, you just have to type the word deactivate. And you can see that down here. Sorry, that's at the bottom. But yeah, you just type the word deactivate and that Rocketman venv seems to go away.